Hey friends, welcome back to Heartscapes. My name is Michaela and I'm really glad you're here with me today on this day of reintroducing bees to Heartscapes Homestead. So this is the second part of this adventure. The first video was posted earlier, and if you haven't seen it, that will give you context for why I am reinstalling bees, and I will link that video down below. So in this video, we're going to be actually installing my new nucleus of bees into their new home, their new hive. And I have never done this before in this particular way. I've never done it before by myself. So I decided I would just take you along on this journey of trying something new. As I said in the last video, please do not take anything that you see in my beekeeping videos as instructions. I am absolutely a beginner at this, still learning from my mentor and from other avenues, and so I'm just sharing my process, which will inevitably include mistakes, and hopefully there'll be something of value in it for you. So without further ado, we're gonna head out over there where I've got the new hive, the new collection of bees. It is just at dusk, about an hour before sunset, which is just the right time to rehome a hive of bees. So let's go do it. But first, we gotta suit up. There we go. That's better. Okay, so got my hood, got my smoker, and we're gonna head on over to the bees. Let me show you what we've got here. So this is where these bees are gonna live. This is just outside my chicken coop on a patio that gets good morning sun. And you can see them here in their temporary box. Just gonna give them a little smoke. Oh, somebody just came home with a pants full of pollen. How wonderful. They're already hard at work. So I'm gonna put you down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go through this installation and probably not talk too much, and rejoin you after. I'm actually going to show you this. So this is the new hive box, the bottom where they're going to get installed. So you can see there's already several frames in here, and what we're going to be doing is putting the 5 frames that are in here already, which have bee activity right here in the middle. And then I have another box full of frames that has already has drawn comb and honey that I saved from my last hive, kept in the freezer over winter, and that will go on top, give them plenty of resources to start off with. Okay, friends, I'm going to open you up now. I'm going to put you into your new home. Giving them a little smoke so they can't sound the alarm. Let me show you what they look like here. So now the frames that they came with in the nuke box needs to go into the new hive in the same order and the same direction that they are in the nuke. I'm going to take a look for the queen as we go. She is marked with a yellow dot, so she should be easy to find. So you can see here we have some nectar, some honey, I think. If my bee mentor Rachel is watching this, if I make mistakes, feel free to let me know. very full. This one is filled with brood, so we've got babies getting ready to be hatched here. I see the little, I don't know if you can see that little green plastic dot there, kind of in the center. I think that's the queen cage where the queen was. She's now free. Oh, I see her. I see her. I see her. All right, my friends, do you see Madam Queen there with the yellow dot on her back? That is our Royal Majesty. She will be receiving a name at some point soon. There she is, alive and well with all her babies. Two more to go. We have more honey and more brood. Last one. This one has got a lot of honey. Okay. Okay, friends, that is it. That task is done. Oh gosh, I'm like beet red from being inside of that inside of that suit and that helmet. Um, so hopefully you could kind of see what was the process there. Basically, moving the 5 frames that the bees were transported with into the center of a 10-frame box in the same orientation that they were in the nuke. And I was able to take a look at each frame and identify that there is honey and brood, little baby bees in there already. And as you saw, we were able to locate the queen. So we know that as of now, all is well for this little hive. They have a second story that was put on top that's filled with drawn comb and honey, so they have lots of resources to work with. So in about 4 or 5 days, I will open it up again and do a hive check, make sure that the queen is still there, make sure I can locate her, and see if I can find new cells that contain eggs, just to make sure she's up and doing her job. Make sure that all is well with this new hive. And I will be spending a lot of time sitting right here watching these ladies do their magical work. As I said in the last video, watching the patterns that they create as they're flying in and out of the hive, leaving, going and doing their job, coming back, listening to that soft droning sound is just something that really brings me to a soft and reflective space. It's something that I really cherish. So today is a good day. I feel really good about having bees back on the homestead, and I look forward to sharing more of it with you. So thanks for being here. Thanks for checking out this little adventure of mine. Feel free to leave comments, questions, suggestions, corrections. Be kind. I'm completely new at this, and I welcome resources to help me get better. So thanks so much for being here, and until next time, may you be deeply provisioned for your journey. Until then, I love you.